Hi everyone. I go by the name Tinevimbo Lillian Madzingo, all the way from Manchester, United Kingdom, a proud daughter of prophets Emmanuel and Ruth Makandiwa. And today we're live at the Chinoi Youth Camp 2024, and we're at day 3, and we're still excited. This year's theme is Ignite, and we're truly being ignited. Today we had 2 guest speakers, Dr. Dege, who came to educate us on drug abuse and substance abuse, which is a really good teaching, very much science-based, and he gave us empowering information and knowledge to stop us from doing the wrong things, and so that we know even how to help our peers and other people in need. And our second guest speaker was the renowned entrepreneur, Mr. Takwana, who came to encourage us and tell us more about the business world so that we can be able to start projects of our own and businesses, and we're truly enlightened. The one highlight I took personal was that you don't need to be perfect, but you simply need to get started and get things going. So we're very grateful to our parents for this opportunity.
Hey Godnation, my name is Panaji Tijokwe from Bindra branch, and we are here at Chinoi Prayer Mountain as the youth camp. And today I've learned about the drug abuse, whereby we have taught that drugs affect our brain as well as our mental health. And we have been told that if you are into drugs, you can go to rehabilitation centers that have been established by the government. We've then also been taught about how to start your own business and how to grow in that business. Today we had so much fun, not forgetting the fitness club that we had today. We had so much fun and we have learned a lot today. We are interacting as the youth today. Thank you so much.
Hi everybody, my name is Richenda and I'm from the USA. And today we had a really mind-boggling session with the speakers inside. And there was one speaker that really spoke to me very well, and that was Mr. Takwana Chikaranini. And I promise you, at that moment, I didn't realize that when people come to speak to us, they're not telling us what we already know, but this is something already different. And what I heard was how to start businesses, because Mr. Takwana is practically a financial technology entrepreneur and a founder of Jumbo, which is one of the biggest companies about to open. So that really spoke to me so well, because I have been thinking about being an entrepreneur as well. So he was telling us that for you to start something, you don't have to have the knowledge about it, but you just have to start. So the main thing that I took from that is that you have to start something for you to be successful. And you don't even have to be scared to start. Just be confident in yourself, and also make connections, know people around you. So as we are here at the youth camp, it's also good to get numbers. Instead of getting numbers for relationships, get numbers to actually start a business and have investors in your business and have different types of flow of income. So that's what I got from this camp. And I'm really happy to be here. I'm so excited. Flew all the way from USA. So happy to be here. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Keith Ziko, right? I came here, it's my first time here, and I'm really enjoying it. I came with Zimmer Park Zone, yeah. Well, this youth experience is the best. It's my first and the best. It's my first experience, and I'm really enjoying it. You know, today was really powerful. What I learned today, first of all, we say no to drugs. Drugs are harmful and they'll destroy our lives, right? And as for the second sermon, it was really powerful. You know, when you get to interact with a millionaire, it's something big. It's something that's really exciting. So he told us that when you get knowledge, you get power, right? And at most intervals, when we want to start our own businesses, money is not really the problem. All we need is courage. So yeah, I learned a lot. Thank you so much.
Okay, hello, my name is Warren Hiwayo from Zimmer Park Zone. I'm here at the youth camp. It's my first youth camp and it is on fire. It is lit. We are waiting here to be ignited, and when we come out here, we expect to be on fire. The people here are very fun to be around. It's a really good environment. We're meeting new faces, new people, new experiences, new networks, and the teachings that we're getting here are so out of this world. Today we learned about go and start a business. Just go and start. Just go and do stuff. Don't overthink. You don't need capital. All you need is courage. And then the lessons about drug abuse is we do not want our brains to be thin and take too much drugs and ruin our bodies.
Hi everyone, my name is Lillian. I came here with Mvuri branch and it's my first time coming to the youth camp. It's been so much fun. There have been so many activities, fun and games, and we've been learning so much in terms of the word, and even the music has been amazing. Today is day 3 and we had such a life-changing session on business. We learned so much about how you don't need capital to start a business, but you just need the courage. Once you take the first step to start, it's all you need, and after that, you'll learn everything you need to know. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Taona Nyashamankanya. I'm from the Chinoi branch. We are here at the Prayer Mountain Center. So it's the 3rd day of the camp. We have been having like motivational speakers, and we have learned a lot so far. We had one in the morning that had a very quite tragic background, but has a successful future. So I really think it's very helpful, and it's helping us to see what we want to do and know better on what we are going to be doing in the future. So I think that's basically what I'm learning so far, and I'm expecting better from the next speakers. Thank you.
My name is Jasper Chibedza. I come from Harare. I live in Mount Pleasant. I am in Form 4. I want to talk about my experience at the UFIC Youth Camp of 2024. So far, it's been really good. I've been learning new things. They've been bringing in guest speakers, which are teaching us a lot of things, which I never knew. For example, yesterday, they brought a lawyer. Yeah, he was teaching us about the rules and what to do when we need help. And yeah, so far, I've been managing, I've been with my friends, and I've been enjoying.
Hello everyone, my name is Faria. It's day 3 at Ignite conference. I've enjoyed my day today, especially the word that comes from the entrepreneur, Mr. Takwana. He said you don't need money to start business, but you need courage. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tendai Melanie. This experience has been amazing. From the services, from the food, everything has been great. Today we had the doctor who came through. He taught us a lot. We talked about drugs, and he taught us not to use illegal drugs, and it was so great. We learned a lot. Then also we had an entrepreneur who taught us a lot about business and how to achieve in a business, how to start up a business, and I learned a lot from that, and I'm hoping and I'm sure from here I'm gonna start my own business. Thank you.
Shalom Godnation. I am Mandaza and I'm coming from Zimri Park Zone. The youth camp experience has been amazing the past 3 days that we've been here. Today we were taught by the doctor that drug abuse is very dangerous in the sense that it can actually destroy your brain, and if you're drinking or you're pregnant, then your child will actually come out looking like a grandfather or a grandmother, depending on the gender. Would like to thank Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa and Prophetess Ruth Makandiwa for this wonderful opportunity that they have given to us to experience this goodness of God in such a holy place. Thank you so much.